Hi, everybody. So we have a bit of a problem, and I asked for students' help finding a solution. I got sick with the COVID virus. I probably also got a normal, like, cold virus, as kids in daycare bring home a lot of stuff, and I'm the primary caregiver to my children. So I missed days because I had to take care of my sick daughter, who got me sick. And in that process, my body in its weakened state, I'm guessing, because I've been fully vaccinated since last March. People saw me get this shot, like I left and got the first one. Like it's a thing. Um, and what we had today was not acceptable, guys. I won't do it. I won't allow y'all to keep doing it. I'm I'm just gonna blow my whistle until we get this right. Um, the acting out and the behavior issues, they're costing lives. No different than people acting out at the highest levels of our government's leadership. Ignoring science had consequences. So too will your actions. For this progress report, everybody gets 100. Students know me from last year. Um, we have to trust each other, and I need your help making this class work. I'm going to start looking at options more seriously. I'm going to share those with you. I think having a student centered approach where I use my time more scripted so that you don't have to listen to me lecture you who should be doing work and wanting to succeed. You're hungry students, eager for the chance to learn, and we are not doing that because of a few students that, again, we can't say this is our fault. We're victims of circumstances beyond our control, but we're not limited entirely by those. We can choose to do better. We're going to start living by our mission statement. Take a look at the video I'm going to post. Everybody has 100. I'm going to try to use this approach to create the way forward. The only thing that's negotiated is A, do you complete all the outstanding assignments, all of them? And B, uh, that you make up the points for missed work. Freckle will be used for that because I don't have to grade it. It's self-paced. I've made videos walking you through why it works and how it works. And a recommended plan for you is to find a time in your day that you choose to work on your English so that you can meet your goals of getting into colleges and into a career that satisfies you, right? That doesn't leave you in a place where you can't provide for your family what you longed for. Um, and that's not where I want y'all to be. We know the cost. We've seen the people in the streets. We can't breathe. So don't treat it lightly and don't take our time for granted because we don't know how much we got, as y'all know better than I, right? Um, yeah, okay, I'm not in a great mood, but it's late. My wife's coughing. It's good. We'll be fine, right? Good.